All right, quickly I'm going to do numbers 23 and maybe 27. So for this one, guys, you need to know that your equation, your standard form for the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. When I'm asking you for an equation, I'm wanting you to plug in the h, the k, and the r. Okay. Number 23, though, is giving you that equation. What is the center and the radius? So again, if this is x minus h, let's compare that here. The difference is that minus and plus, right? What's actually happening is this is saying x minus a negative 3. But we don't say minus a negative 3 because that sounds dumb. So we say x plus 3, right? So what that means is that your h, in this case, is not positive 3, it's actually a negative 3. So your h is a negative 3. Then when I look at my y over here, this is y minus k. Yeah, y minus k. So the minus is already there. So your 2 is just k. So 3, 2, and that's my center, okay? If it helps to just think about it as reverse, then do that, right? If this is x plus 3, then the center is going to be a minus 3. If this is y minus 2, then the center is going to be a positive 2. So you can just kind of flip those signs and change them. And that's your center. This represents your r squared, not your r. So if I'm asking you just for the radius, I want the square root of 16, which is 4. And then graphing is pretty straightforward. All you're going to be doing is plotting the center, so negative 3, positive 2 is your center. It's a different color here. Okay. And then from there, what I usually do is just count up and down, left and right, the number of units for my radius. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. And then you just can kind of sketch. Ooh, that was terrible, but you get the idea, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. Just sketch a nice, slightly circular circle. Okay? And that's it for that one. And then I have to go to tutorials now, but 27 is writing the equation. So the center, you notice, is negative 3, comma, negative 1. So when I plug that into my equation, it's going to be positive 3, think about it as reverse, and then a positive 1. And then the radius here is 2. So since I have to square that in my equation, 2 squared is going to be 4. So my answer is this equation, x plus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 4. Okay? Oh. Okay.